Today, we will talk about how to clean a velvet sofa. Let's have a look at the details. Cleaning a velvet sofa is easy and will keep the fabric looking fresh and brand new. To clean liquid spills that haven't dried yet, use a clean cloth to blot the area dry. Gently rub dried stains with soap and water before air drying your sofa and brushing the velvet to restore the fabric. To clean your entire couch, vacuum it with a handheld vacuum or hose attachment. Once it's clean, use a fabric protector to keep future stains and spills from damaging the fabric. The first method is vacuuming your sofa. Vacuum your sofa at least once a month to keep dirt from building up. Regularly vacuuming your sofa is the best way to ensure that surface contaminants don't work their way into the fabric as people sit or lay down on your furniture. Vacuum your sofa with a handheld vacuum or hose attachment at least once a month to ensure that your sofa stays clean and comfortable. Use a soft bristled brush to knock dust and dirt up. Before vacuuming your sofa, grab a soft bristled brush or clothing brush. Remove any pillows or blankets from your sofa. Start on one end of the sofa and gently brush in long, even strokes. Cover each section of your sofa 2 to 3 times to knock up any dust, dirt, or grime that is hiding in your fabric. Vacuum your sofa using a hand vacuum or hose. Attach the fabric bristles to your hose or hand vacuum. Turn the vacuum to its lowest setting. Start on one end of your sofa and run the vacuum or hose across each pillow by working in vertical or horizontal strips. The second method is removing stains and spot cleaning. Address stains, spills, or dirt as soon as you notice them. To avoid stains from setting into your velvet furniture, clean them as soon as you spot them. The longer that you allow a contaminant or liquid to sit on your furniture, the more likely it is to stain or permanently damage your velvet. Blot wet spills dry with a clean cloth until they disappear. If a liquid has been spilled on your velvet, grab a clean, dry cloth. Take your cloth to the affected area and blot the area repeatedly. Continue doing this until the spill is completely dried out. Mix a little soap with water to clean dried stains. If your liquid spill leaves a mark behind after it dries, or you notice a dried stain on your sofa, clean it with soap and water. Spot test your cleaning solution in an inconspicuous area. Rub the stained fabric with your cloth using smooth, gentle strokes. Allow the cleaned area to air dry for 30 to 60 minutes. If you can, open the window and turn a few fans on to keep the room well ventilated. Scrub the area you cleaned with a soft bristled brush to restore the velvet. Continue brushing the area until the stain looks like it is entirely gone and the velvet is in its original condition. And the third method is protecting your sofa. Check your sofa's tag to see if it has already been treated. If it has been waterproofed or treated, consult the manufacturer to see if additional fabric protectors will ruin the sofa. Get a fabric or upholstery protector designed for velvet. You can purchase a can of fabric protector at a local home goods or big box store. Test your protector in an inconspicuous area to make sure it's safe. Mist your sofa with a fabric protector to preserve the fabric. Mist each section 3 to 4 times to apply your fabric protector. Wait 1 to 2 hours to give your fabric protector time to dry. To give the protector time to work into the fabric, wait at least 1 hour to give it time to dry. Crack a window open or turn the fan on to keep the room well ventilated while it dries. Keep your sofa out of direct sunlight to preserve it. Direct sunlight can cause your velvet's color to fade over time. To keep the sofa looking new and beautiful, move your furniture so that your sofa isn't sitting directly in front of a sunny window. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.